The legal world used to be the ultimate suit and briefcase profession. If you wanted to draft contracts, argue motions, or untangle compliance knots, you were expected to show up at a marble-floored office, queue for the elevator, and spend half your life inside fluorescent conference rooms. But 2025 has flipped that script. Thanks to cloud case management systems, e-filing in every U.S. court, and Zoom hearings that actually stick to the docket, the law has gone digital, permanently. Today we're looking at 10 roles that let you practice law, or support those who do, from anywhere with steady Wi-Fi. Whether you're a fresh graduate eyeing your first paralegal gig or a partner-track attorney who's done with rush hour traffic, there's a spot for you in the virtual courtroom. Let's dive in. 1. Remote paralegal, the case prep powerhouse. If lawyers are quarterbacks, paralegals are the offensive line, quietly crucial. From organizing discovery to drafting affidavits, almost everything a paralegal touches already lives in the cloud. Secure document management platforms and e-discovery tools make it not only possible but efficient to prep cases from your kitchen table. Typical pay lands near the $60,000 mark, with a straight shot to senior paralegal or team lead roles. Add a rock-solid grasp of Westlaw and an ABA-approved certificate, and you're indispensable. 2. Remote attorney. Counsel in sweatpants. Yes, attorneys are arguing motions in hoodies now. All 94 federal district courts accept e-filings, and dozens of state courts run virtual hearings via Zoom.gov. Multi-state licensure means you can serve clients coast to coast without stepping off your porch. Mid-range salaries hover around $175,000, and firms often pay big city rates even if you're living in a low-cost locale. The real kicker? Clients love saving on in-person billable overhead, so everybody wins, except maybe the dry cleaner. 3. Remote lawyer, general practice, your digital firm on demand. Not every lawyer is a litigator. Many small businesses just need contracts reviewed, disputes mediated, or regulatory advice before they launch an app. Cloud-based suites like Clio handle calendaring, invoicing, and document storage, letting solo practitioners build a global book of clients without renting an office. Median pay sits a hair over $100,000, and the freedom to set your own rates can push that higher. 4. Remote compliance analyst, the rulebook whisperer. Every scaling company scares itself at least once, usually when GDPR fines or HIPAA audits loom large. Enter the compliance analyst, who maps internal processes to external regulations and flags trouble early. Governance risk compliance platforms mean you can audit a fintech startup from 3 time zones away and still spot a missing SOC2 control. Salaries average in the low $60 kiloseconds, with clear ladders toward manager or director titles. 5. Remote legal assistant, the calendar conductor. Legal assistants manage everything that keeps attorneys sane: deadlines, depositions, and the dreaded billing codes. VoIP phone systems and virtual receptionist software let you juggle multiple lawyers' calendars without ever touching an office landline. Pay averages around $48,000, and many assistants parlay that experience into paralegal certification later on. 6. Remote contract manager, guardian of the fine print. If you enjoy redlining clauses more than reading novels, contract management is your playground. AI-powered lifecycle management tools now flag risky clauses automatically, so you can focus on negotiation tactics and renewal strategy. With salaries hitting 6 figures and a direct pipeline to director-level roles, it's a lucrative niche for detail lovers. 7. Remote corporate counsel, in-house, out of office. Corporations still need lawyers who understand both law and business, but they no longer insist those lawyers work down the hall from the CFO. Board portals and encrypted chat threads let counsel weigh in on strategy calls from a mountain cabin, all while guiding governance and M&A deals. Expect median pay around $144,000, plus equity that sweetens the remote pot. 8. Remote regulatory affairs specialist, the gatekeeper of launches. If your heart beats faster at acronyms like FDA, EMA, or SEC, this role's for you. Specialists translate dense regulations into product launch roadmaps, submit electronic dossiers, and handle post-market surveillance. Pay averages in the low $80 kiloseconds, and the skill set travels well across pharma, med device, and even crypto startups. 9. Remote Risk Analyst. The fortune teller who uses spreadsheets. Risk analysts quantify threats, cyber, financial, operational, so companies can sleep at night. With cloud business intelligence tools, you can model worst-case scenarios in real time for teams spread across continents. Salaries hover near $90,000, and certifications like FRM can boost your trajectory towards senior analyst or manager positions. 10. Remote Legal Operations. The department's COO. Legal ops professionals streamline budgets, tech stacks, and outside counsel spend. Think of them as project managers fluent in both law and spreadsheets. Because the job revolves around data analytics and vendor wrangling, remote work is practically built in. Median pay nudges $100,000, and many pros ascend to head of ops roles that shape entire legal departments. The big picture. The thread connecting every role? Cloud technology knocked down geography as a hiring barrier. Firms save overhead, lawyers regain personal time, and clients enjoy faster turnarounds, all because the office walls dissolved into zeros and ones. If you're looking to pivot or level up inside the legal field, remote work isn't just a perk, it's the future of the profession. Platforms like HireBasis list hundreds of fresh openings, complete with salary ranges, skills checklists, and part-time filters. Set up alerts, tailor that resume, and swap your commute for a coffee mug emblazoned with "Counsel at Home." The virtual courtroom is in session, and your laptop is the new bench.